What is going on, y'all? It's your boy RealGee. I'm gonna react to Mukbangers. Okay. Oh my goodness, another Mukbangers. This is Mukbangers taking extreme big bites. Okay, let's check it out. If you're new to my channel, y'all know what it is. You subscribe with notification bell, subscribe to my second YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave your comment. If you want to see more, let me know in the comment section. We no further ado, let's go. Oh, Mukbangers doing big bites. Okay.
Super pumped for this. Hands down, I would say they make the best burger, actually.
Another one. Another one. Another one. Whoa. Is that burrito or something? How many do you got, bro?
I love that added touch.
It's rice on it.
Pickled veg in there.
Wow. Okay. Oh my. No way. Look at this. Oh my god, this is crocodile or alligator. This is alligator, bro. This guy, he's a professional mukbanger. Professional. This is a professional mukbanger. I'm telling you, this is a professional mukbanger, bro. Damn. Bro. This guy is so fast. He is very, very fast. No way. I got you. Yeah. No way. Oh my goodness. This is huge though. This is too much, bro. He uses hands. Oh my. I don't know if I'm gonna eat today. I don't know if I'm gonna eat today, bro. I don't think I'm gonna eat. I've lost my appetite. What was that? Oh, oh. Look at that. Look at how big. Look at how big the mouth. Look at the big. Oh my goodness. Just small outside, but when they open, oh my god.
This is literally so good. Look at that.
Oh, this is so exciting. So exciting. Can I put all this in my mouth? I mean, would you? Be honest.
Really? Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
Mmm. Mm. Oh my god. Very cheesy. I love cheesy.
Wow. Look at the way. Oh my goodness.
Mm. Oh my god.
Bro, that's a lot of cheese there.
Mm.
Wow.
Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm.
Bro, this is too much, bro. This is too much, bro. For real. Damn, bro. This is too much. These guys, they are professionals. You feel me? They are professional. I'm not gonna play with them, bro. They can eat for real. I hope you all enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share my videos, and turn on the notification bell. Like always, you feel me? If you want it, you feel me? We know what to do. I'm out of here. Peace out.